Imagine clicking a few buttons and earning $5 to $10 from doing so. A lot of people may not appreciate the value of $5 or less, however, it can be a huge amount of money when they accumulate over time. You will be able to earn $5 to $10 to the point that when they are combined, it will be a huge amount of money. You can reach up to $500 when you add up the small amounts of money that you get. What's even better is that you can cash them easily using various payment methods like PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and many more. This internet hack is really incredible as it is absolutely free. Aside from that, they are expanding their operations to include every nation in the world. It's amazing, right? This online strategy is very convenient and easy. So make sure to watch and finish this video to know more about these hacks. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. So the first thing that I want to tell you is to go to enrollapp.com. This site has the tagline of "Let's make the web a better place." It is a legitimate website that allows people to work from home and to have a job even when they have no skills nor experience. So press the sign up button when you get to its homepage. Just input your email address and create a unique password. Once you are done, simply click the sign up button. Now the process is really simple and straightforward, but there are some things that I want you to do when you log into your account. First, check your email because you still need to activate your account, especially when it is your first time signing up on this site. Just open the message from their email and click the verification link on it. When you finally open it on your Android application, you will see this on your account. It says, "Hello, your name. Let's make the internet a better place today." This is your dashboard where you can start earning money. There are mission programs and there are mission progress visuals on this site. When you complete projects and missions, the little cow will move from left to the right. There are also additional cash rewards and bonus money that you can get. Thus, I really like it because it's very beginner friendly and it contains a lot of perks. At this point, I want to share with you a few tips that will allow you to earn double or triple. This trick is something I discovered after working for a while on this site. On your dashboard, you will be able to see the polls and poll questions that you have answered before. Try to scroll down below to see it. The poll that I'm referring to are the specific questions that you need to answer with yes or no. Once you're done, they will show you the survey statistics with their "How do you stack up" command. After seeing the results, you do not need to do anything else but to press the continue button. You will be given another question. So just answer it the same way that you did with the first question. Repeat the process over and over again until you finish the poll questions. Remember, it is critical that you answer these questions because it will add up to the points that you will get. You will move from this place to this place as time goes by. Aside from that, there will be a bonus money that you will get from answering these questions. It is very important to answer the poll questions because it will allow the site to give you projects and jobs that fit with your demographics, hobbies, and responses, meaning you will receive more missions and you will earn money from it. Answer the questions over and over again for as many times as you want. There is no limit to the amount of questions that you can answer. These are some of the poll questions that you may encounter. As you can see, there are a lot of questions that I have responded to already. Just a reminder, you need to answer more questions to increase your earnings. This will be easy as you can do this on your phone or computer. It is also available from anywhere in the world. The accessibility of this app will really make you earn a lot of money. Now, you can try to click the achievement button on this app. Then you will be redirected to your dashboard where you will be able to monitor your progress. Look at this. I already earned a badge and my total points increased even though it is only my first mission. Now, I want you to do the same and answer the poll questions. Just be active by visiting your account every day to get bonus points and money. You just need to log in constantly for 30 days. Then proceed with answering these questions. Once it is done, you will complete the first mission. The green flag with the cow would be your guide. As you answer more poll questions every day, it will go from left to right until you earn all the badges, points, and money from this mission. At this point, you only need to set up one thing in order to make 3 times as much money. When you open your account, press this arrow button here. Then click the test preference and you will be redirected to another page. I just want to say that all the information and answers that you will provide will remain confidential. So we just need to keep your preferences up to date under the test preference section. Again, the site will protect your information, so it will be kept private. For the device that you will test on, please select all of these distinct devices such as mobile, tablet, and desktop. It is important that you choose these devices because it will allow you to get more poll questions. As you answer more questions, you will also be able to take home more money. As for the testing availability, I strongly recommend that you choose the as soon as possible option. Choosing the Send Me Test as soon as possible option will allow you to receive more tests on your account. It will also send more test notifications in your email inbox. As a result, you will earn more opportunities because of your test preferences. Aside from that, you also need to choose the option Send me an email when I qualify for a test. I also recommend that you enter your phone number to validate it so that you will be able to receive SMS notifications when there is a test available for you. It is really easy to use this website. Aside from it being very accessible, the dashboard is also user-friendly. Moreover, the job that you need to do is very simple. You just need to focus on completing the objectives to earn points. Complete the missions and earn extra bonus from doing it. It is rare to find these kinds of opportunities. Thus, you should grab it already and make the most amount of money from it. So, what are you waiting for? Start your online money-making journey now. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.